quilt. So I finally finished, and it took forever. Granted, there was a whole period where I wasn't doing anything, but I finally zigzagged every single piece of applique, and you just watched me sandwich it. So basically this is going to be the back of the quilt. I have a cotton batting in between. Everything has been ironed, and what I'm about to do is spray a temporary glue, and then I'm going to use safety pins here and there just to hold it in place, and I will be ready to quilt. I'm going to do something simple. I'm probably going to do some flourish, some pebbles. I like to over quilt, so there's going to be quite a lot of stitching, and I will quilt in yellow, so the quilt stitch is not going to show too much on this background, but it will on the back. And I am super excited. This is by far the longest I've ever worked on a quilt. It took a long time, and to be honest, I did it as a challenge, and it was a very good challenge to have. You're looking at it sideways. It's actually supposed to be this way, but it doesn't matter because it's square. So let me get my glue and get started. feeding dogs down, stitch length 1. The stitch height doesn't matter. Alright, let's go. We're gonna do pebbles. Here are pebbles on the front without width. Let's see what it looks like in the back. And this is what it looks like on the back. You're seeing it with the light shining through. But this is what it looks like. All right. Gotta cut this thread. These you don't quilt because they're already applied with the zigzag anyway. The quilting is only on the background. Here are two areas that I've quilted. Here's the front, and here's the back, if you can see. And I'm going to stop here because it's late already, and believe it or not, that was a lot. I just love the way this feels. I love pebbles. They're easy to make. I could do other designs, but I like the way they look. So I'm going to do the whole thing in pebbles. Or maybe the outside of it, I'll do something different. But for now, I'm going to stop. If I decide to do the outside of the quilt with a different design, I'll film that as well. But for now, know that I'm only going to do pebbles. So if I do pebbles for the whole thing, the next time you'll see me, I will be doing the binding and we'll be done. Here's my quilting partner. Hi, baby. I know. Okay, it's time for me to go. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.